Hi guys, I'm Kelvin from Raw Coding. Today I'll be talking about the various music options you can use for your Wix website. Hi guys, I'm currently in the Wix editor, and today I'll be talking about adding music and audio tracks to your Wix website. To add audio, press Add on the left, go onto Music, and you will be faced with a variety of music options that you can choose from. At the top, you will see Wix Music over here. Wix Music is a platform that you can add to your website, and it allows users to purchase your audio tracks that you have uploaded. You will need to use Wix Premium for this, as billing users is only available via a business subscription. You don't specifically have to monetize your music. You can also offer free tracks which will allow users to download your music or podcasts for free. In a further video, I'll be showing you how to set your own online music store up using Wix Music. I'll show you how to monetize your audio tracks and how to allow your users to buy and download your music directly from your store. Next, you have some third-party apps. SoundCloud and Spotify are available to use. You can basically embed this into your website like this. Just drag it into the editor. If you want to add your SoundCloud page, go to Settings and add your SoundCloud track or album into the box over here. I'm just going to show you a quick example on how to do this. I'm just going to go on SoundCloud, go onto Albums, select this one from this user over here, copy the URL above, and paste it into this box over here. Press confirm once you've done that, and it will switch it over to the album from this user over here. If you go on preview, you'll see that there are 2 tracks in this album, and the user will be able to play by pressing the play button over here. If we go back to the editor and back to the music options, Spotify works in the same way. You just have to input your Spotify URL into the settings options on the editor. Next, you have some mini player options. What you can do with these mini players is add a single audio track to them. These are great if you want your users to interact with your website more. I'm going to show you an example on how you can use these. I've created an example section over here, which will allow my users to hear the difference between membrane keyboards and mechanical keyboards. I've recorded a short clip on how each one sounds, and I've uploaded these clips to my Wix files. I'm going to drag in one of the mini player icons just underneath the picture. On the first mini player, I'm going to attach the membrane keyboard sound. To attach it, select it and press Add to Page. I'm going to increase the size of the player icon. To customize the design of the player, I'm going to select it, press Design, select Customize Design. The background will be light blue, and the actual icon will be black. I'm going to copy and paste this player now by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And then I'm going to change the track of this mini player to the mechanical keyboard sound. Press Choose Track, and it's changed the track to the mechanical keyboard sound for this one here. Now, when we click on Preview and hover over this button for the membrane keyboard sound and press Play, and now when we hover over this button and click play, you can hear the mechanical keyboard sound. If we go back to editor, if you use your creativity, you can see that these are great options to increase user interactivity on your website. Finally, you can also add a background audio track to your website. If we click on Add and choose one of the mini player icons again, drag it into your editor, and we select a song from our library. I'm going to add it to that mini player. If we drag this mini player up to the home page and press on Settings, under the settings, you can choose how loud you would like your audio to play. What we'll do is we will select Play in a Loop and to autoplay on loading. And now when we click on Preview the page, you will be able to hear background audio for the user. Now to stop the audio, just press stop. If we go back to editor, this concludes adding music to your Wix website. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the video description below. It basically tells Wix that you joined through me and helps me out a lot. If you would like to see more tutorials on Wix, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.